one of the hardest seasons that I hate in poultry farming is this one, debeaking. It's very painful, guys, but it is very important because as these birds grow, they start to develop bad behaviors. So in this video, let's learn about debeaking, like the advantages of debeaking. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Asperia. Kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like this video and let's begin. So debeaking helps these birds to reduce the risk of cannibalism. Now as these birds grow, they tend to start eating each other. They fight, they peck each other's feathers, and some birds even end up eating fellow birds. So when you reduce this sharp pointed beak, you have kind of disarmed them. They are not able to, kill another bird. Okay, they do fight, they do, do a lot of stuff, but they do not reach the extent of killing each other. And secondly, debeaking also helps these birds to eat food properly, like without wastage. Actually, it is of a big benefit to a farmer in that when they reduce their beaks, they now eat food. They don't waste food. They eat it well, and you find that you save a lot of money through that process. Instead of that food being wasted, it is saved. Also, debeaking helps these birds when they start laying. They don't eat the eggs, because once they have the sharp pointed beaks like the ones they have before, they can chew all the eggs. But when you debeak them, they reduce that risk of chewing the eggs, and that is of a big benefit to the farmer. But also, debeaking also has some disadvantages, that sometimes after debeaking, some birds can bleed to death. That can be a big loss to the farmer. But however, that bleeding can be controlled. And also, when you debeak these birds, there is somehow they reduce appetite. They don't eat a lot of food after debeaking because they have pain. So it makes them to kind of go backwards in growth. But however, that can still be recovered later as you continue to feed them. So we did this. We get experts that know how to do it. That's why you are seeing me on camera and not in a video, because I can't really do this. And even if I knew how to do it, I really don't like to bring pain to these birds. They are my friends. So I get for them somebody or some people that are experts, actually, that are trained in that area of debeaking, and they do it professionally. So if you haven't yet started debeaking your birds, it's high time you did. It is actually done at week 10, and our second batch of birds is at week 10. So I believe you found something small that is helpful to you in this video. If that is so, kindly like this video, share it with your friends, but don't forget to subscribe. I love you.
Okwatanga kumukono, mukamano tambula